going on, YouTube, my family and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video. And today, I want to try to make it short and sweet, you know what I mean? And show y'all just like why I feel like sublimation is better than vinyl, you know what I mean? So, for one, with sublimation, there's no cutting, weeding, none of that. You just print and press, you know what I mean? When you print, you want to make sure you have all your settings correct. Print it out and just, bake that sucker, you know what I mean? Put it in the heat press and bake it 460 seconds or however you do it, 385, 45, however you work it with your heat press. With vinyl, on the other hand, to create this same design that you see here on my screen, on the right we have one that's vinyl, on the left we have one that's sublimation. Sure, it's the exact same image, but with vinyl you would have had to cut out this pink, that's one color, this blue, that's two color, this purple, that's three color, her face color, that's another color, this little teal color, that's another color, that's five color, and then you get down here to the yellow, that's six colors, and then for the lipstick, that's seven colors, and then if you wanted to change any of your colors down here, you would have, that's 7 different cut jobs. Over here, this exact same image is only one print. But you cannot, however, put that print on a black shirt. You can if you decide to cut out this outline and glitter and then press the sublimation on top of it, but you cannot achieve this look over here without using vinyl. Well, it's 8 different layers of vinyl on a dark color shirt, Now, but this image here can be achieved if you decided to go with a light color shirt such as a pink. And as you can see, now the pink is the clear stones are sitting on top of the black ink. You cannot achieve that that look over here with the vinyl without, you see, to show it over here, I showed that there's no color under the stones because the stones need the fibers of the shirt to adhere to. So over here on this shirt, the only thing you would have to use for vinyl is maybe the white, if you wanted to put the white in her eye, and the yellow. The yellow may not sublimate well on top of that pink, so then under those stones it'll just be pink there, you know what I mean? So a lot of people say you can sublimate, you can press rhinestones on top of vinyl. I've been in the game 9 years, y'all, and I beg to differ. My first couple of rhinestone shirts, I pressed the rhinestone on top of the vinyl, and when it came out the washer, rhinestones had fell off. When I apply rhinestones on top of a shirt, the rhinestones are there on top of that shirt, wash after wash after wash for many years to come. So those are my experiences with using vinyl. I've used vinyl for years and years and years, love it, still use it till this day. But my go-to would be sublimation, because you can get real fancy with sublimation. You can change this area under these stones to a purple, you know what I mean? And then let's say if those stones were let's say if those stones were this color, aquamarine. Now you got her hat, which is purple, but it has aquamarine stones all over it, on top of a pink shirt. If you were to do it in vinyl, that area would have to be free of vinyl for the rhinestones to lay in there, and you would get that effect. You know, sure, it looks lighter, you know, but to each his own, you know what I mean? Whether it's what you prefer, you know, it's your preference at the end of the day. Let's see what else I got. Yep, stones must go on top of shirt material. And then with sublimation, you have the ability to put stones on top of colors, which I feel adds more dimension, you know? Like, so if this one right here were vinyl, and you wanted to put those yellow stones on top of that black vinyl, it would have to be flock vinyl, meaning you would still have to layer in all the colors, but then you would just put your rhinestones on top of the flock material, which the rhinestones would adhere to that material wash after wash as well. I hope you guys found this video useful and helpful when you deciding whether to do sublimation or vinyl, whether you decide to use cotton shirts or polyester. Oh, that was the other big one that I missed. You know, sublimation has to be on at least 95% polyester or better. I prefer 100% polyester, but you cannot sublimate onto vinyl shirts, hence why you have to use the vinyl method. I said you cannot sublimate on vinyl shirts. You cannot sublimate on cotton shirts, so the next option would be to use the vinyl method. What's it called? It's Easy Subli, you know what I mean? If you use Easy Subli, you can't, I don't think you even put rhinestones on top of Easy Subli. So it has to be vinyl, and then it has to be flock vinyl if you're trying to put rhinestones on top of a particular color. Hope this video helped y'all. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. I get tons of tutorials, tons of hints, tons of what else they call it, hints and tips, you know, and tricks to help you along with your rhinestone journey. This is Excellent Dreams, and I'm out.